Why are there not more people talking about the power of language training? Imagine transforming your team with just a few words. In today's global workplace, adaptability is key, and employee retention is more critical than ever. But did you know that multilingual communication skills training could be the game changer your company needs? Language barriers can lead to misunderstandings, frustration, and even lost opportunities. Employees who struggle to communicate may feel isolated and undervalued, which increases turnover rates. A strong, multilingual communication skills training program helps employees feel more confident, connected, and capable, leading to higher job satisfaction and retention. But it's not just about learning words. Our training focuses on cultural awareness, professional language use, and practical conversations for business success. Imagine the impact. An employee who once hesitated to speak now confidently interacts with global clients and colleagues. Companies that invest in multilingual training see increased employee engagement, improved adaptability in new markets, and a stronger, more cohesive team. By empowering your workforce with language skills, you're not just improving communication, you're fostering an inclusive, adaptable, and loyal workforce. Ready to strengthen your company's global edge?